how to get image ID for Roblox. So first what you want to do is just go to the Roblox website. Then you simply click on create button right there. Once you're here, just simply need to scroll down till you see the browse to store option right here. Then just simply click on the view items. Once you're on the items, just simply need to go to images. Now you could pick any image that you want. So let's say I want to pick this image right here. Once you click on that particular image or decal, you just simply need to go at the top URL and just get the bunch of numbers right here. So the group of numbers between the slashes. So simply copy that. So that's basically the image ID. Now once you've copied it, you can now paste it anywhere you want. So let's say you just want to save it first. So now I'm just going to put it on my notes, my notepad right here, and I'm just going to paste it. And now I'm just going to name it whatever I want so that I could use it in the future. So it's Roblox Decal ID, just like so. And now I could use it for the future, like in Roblox Studio. You just simply need to copy the number right here. And that's how you basically get the image ID for Roblox.